Good afternoon, friends. Today we will start with this next unit, that is the sixth unit. Network security is the name for that unit. In that unit, we have to study the following concept: cryptography and network security, introduction, confidentiality, right? Other aspects of security, network layer security, transport layer security, application layer security. These we have to study in detail. Okay. Now we will start with this unit. Here introduction. The computer often travel from one computer to another, right? Leaving the safety of its protected physical surroundings. Once the data is out of hand, people with bad intention could modify or forge your data, right? Therefore, amusement or for their own benefit. Okay, cryptography can reformat and transform our data, making it safer on its trip between computers. The technology is based on the essential of secret code, argument, augmented by modern mathematics that protects our data in powerful ways. Okay, here the computer security is there. Generic name for the collection of tools, sign designed to protect data and to the word hackers. Okay, network security is there, measure to protect data during their transmission. Okay, here is the internet security, measure to protect data during their transmission over a collection of interconnected networks. Clear? Here is the security attack services and mechanism. To access the security of an organization effectively, the manager responsible for security needs. Okay, some systematic way of defining the requirement for security and characterization of approaches to specify those requirements. One approach is to consider three aspects of information security. Here security attack is there, any action that compromises the security of information owned by an organization. Okay, here the security mechanism is there, a mechanism that is designed to detect, prevent or recover from a security attack. Okay, here security service is there, a service that enhances the security of the data processing system and the information transfer of an organization. The service are intended to counter security attack. Okay, and they made use of one or more security mechanisms to provide the service. Here basic concept of cryptography, the art of science encompassing the principles and method of transforming an illegible message into one that is unintelligible and then retransforming that message back to its original form. Here is the plain text is there, the original negligible message is there. Okay, ciphertext is there, the transform message is there, and cipher an analog algorithm for transforming an intelligible message into one that is unintelligible by transposition and or substitution method. Clear? Here is the key some critical information used by the cipher known only to the sender and receiver. Okay, here is the cipher encode, the process of converting plain text to cipher text using a cipher and a key. Okay, here is the decipher decode, the process of converting cipher text back into the plain text using a cipher and a key. Clear? Here is a cryptanalysis, the study of principle and method of transforming an unintelligible message back into an intelligible message without knowledge of the key, also called the code breaking. Okay, here is the cryptology. Both cryptography and cryptanalysis. Here code is there and an algorithm for transforming an intelligible message into an unintelligible one using a code book. Clear? Here is the cryptography. Cryptographic systems are generally classified along three independent dimensions: type of operations used for transforming plain text to ciphertext. Here all the encryption algorithms are based on two general principles: substitution, in which each element in the plain text is mapped into another element, okay, and transposition, in which element is in the plain text are rearranged. The number of key used is the sender and receiver uses same key, then it is said to be symmetric key or single key or convolutional encryption. Okay, if the sender and receiver use different key, then it is used to be public any encryption. Clear? The way in which the plain text is processed: a block cipher processes the input and block an element at a time, producing output block for the each input block. A stream cipher processes the input element continuously, producing output element one at a time as it goes along. Okay, here cryptanalysis, the process of attempting to discover X or K or both is known as a cryptanalysis. The strategy used by the cryptanalysis depends on the nature of the encryption scheme and the information available to the cryptanalyst. There are various types of cryptanalyst attack based on the amount of information known to the cryptanalyst. Ciphertext only, a copy of ciphertext along is known to the cryptanalyst known plain text. The cryptanalyst has a copy of the cipher text and the corresponding plain text. Here is a chosen plain text. The cryptanalyst gains temporary access to the encryption machine. They cannot open it to find the key. However, they can encrypt a large number of suitably chosen plain text and try to use the resulting cipher's text to deduce the key. Here chosen ciphertext, a cryptanalyst obtains temporary access to the cryptation machine, uses it to decrypt several strings of symbols and tries to use the result to deduce the key. Here a steganography. The plain text message may be hidden in any one of the two ways. The method of steganography concerns the existence of the message, where the method of cryptography renders the message unintelligible to outsiders by various information of the text. A simple form of stenography, but one that is the time consuming to construct it, one in which an arrangement of words or letters within an apparently innocuous text spells out the real message. Example, first one is the sequence of the first letter of each word of the overall message spell out the real message. Okay. Second is subset of the word of the oral message is used to convey the hidden message. Okay. Various other techniques has been used historically. Some of them are character making, select letters of printed or typewritten text or overwritten in pencil. The marks are ordinarily not visible unless the paper is held to an angle to bright light. Invisible ink is there. A number of substances can be used for writing but leave no visible trace until heat or some chemical is applied to the paper. Okay, here pin punctures. Small pin punctures on selected letters are ordinarily not visible unless the paper is held in front of the light. Typewritten correction ribbon used between the line type with a black ribbon. The result of typing with the correction tape are visible only under a strong light. Okay, drawback of stenography requires a lot of overhead to hide a relatively few bits of information. Once the system is discovered, it becomes virtually worthless. Here is the security service. The classification of security service are as follows. First one is confidentiality. Confidentiality ensures that the information in a computer system and transmitted information are accessible only for reading by authorized parties. Okay, example is printing, displaying and other forms of disclosure. Confidentiality ensures that the information in a computer system and transmitted information are accessible only for reading by authorized parties. Okay, example is printing, displaying and other forms of disclosure. Next is authentication. Authentication ensures that the origin of a message or electronic document is correctly identified with an assurance that the identifier is not false. Okay, here next is integrity. Integrity ensures that only authorized parties are able to modify computer system assets and transmitted information. Modification includes writing, changing status, deleting, creating and delaying or replaying of transmitted messages. Here is a non-repudiation requires that neither the sender nor the receiver of the message be able to deny the transmission. Okay, next is access control. Access control requires that access to information resources may be controlled by or the target system. Here is the availability requires that computer system assets be available to authorized parties when needed. Next is security mechanism. One of the most One of the most specific security mechanism in used in cryptography technique, encryption or encryption like manufacturers of information are the most common means of providing security. Some of the mechanisms are encipherment, next is digital signature, third one is access control. First is security attack, next is security attack. There are four general categories of attack which are listed below. Interruption, as asset of the system is destroyed or becomes unavailable or unusable. This is an attack of availability. Example is destructions of piece of hardware, cutting of the communication line or disassembling of file. Okay, management system. Next is interruption. An unauthorized party gain access to an asset. This is an attack on confidentiality. Unauthorized party should be a person, a program or a computer. Example is wiretapping to capture data in the network. Illicit copying of files. Here eavesdroppers or forgot. Modification, an unauthorized party not only gains access to but tampers with an asset. This is an attack on integrity. Example is changing value in data file, altering a program, modifying the contents of message being transmitted in a network. Here is sender and receiver fabrication, and unauthorized parties insects counterfeit objects into the system. This is an attack on authenticity. Example is insertion of spurious message in a network or addition of the records to the file. Here is a cryptographic attack. Passive attack is there. In cryptography, passive attack we have to study. In passive attack are in the nature of eavesdropping on or monitoring of transmission. The goal, okay, of the operand is to obtain information that is being transmitted. Passive attacks are of two types. First one is release of message content and second is static analysis. in release of message contents. Okay, a telephone conversions, yeah, an email message and a transferred file may contain sensitive or confidential information. We would like to prevent the opponent from learning the content of these transmissions. Next is traffic analysis. If we had encryption protection in place, an opponent might still be able to observe the pattern of the message. The opponent could determine the location and identify how the communication host and could observe the frequency and length of the message being okay exchange. This information might be useful in gauging the nature of communication that was taking place. Here is the passive attack are very difficult to detect because they do not involve any alteration of data. However, it is feasible to prevent the success of these attacks. Here is the active attack. These attacks involve some notification of the data stream or the creation of a false stream. These attacks can be classified into four categories. Masquerades, one entity pretends to be a different entity. Replay Replay involves the passive capture of a data unit and its subsequent transmission to produce an unauthorized effect. Here is the modification of the message. In modification of message, some portion of message is altered to or the message are delayed or recorded to produce an authorized effect. Here is a denial of service prevents or inhibits the normal use or management of communication facilities. Another form of service denial in the description disruption of an entire network, either or disabling the network or overloading it with the message so as to degrade performance. It is quite difficult to prevent active attack absolutely because to do so would require physical protection of all the communication facilities and path all times. Okay. Instead, the goal is to detect them and to recover from any disruptions of delay caused by them. Here is the symmetric and public key algorithms. Encryption and decryption methods fall into two categories: symmetric key and public key. In symmetric key algorithm, the encryption and description key are known both to sender and receiver, right? The encryption key is shared and the description key is easily calculated from it. It means in many cases the encryption and decryption key are the same. Okay, in public key cryptography, encryption key is made public, but it is computationally infeasible to find the description key without the information known to the receiver. Here is the model for the network security. Observe that model, then we will move further. A message is to be transferred from one party to another across some sort of internet. The two parties who are the principal in these transactions must cooperate for the exchange to take place. A logical information channel is established by defining a route through the internet from source to destination, and by the cooperative use of communication protocol. Example is TCP/IP by the two principals. Using this model requires us to design a suitable algorithm for the security transformation, generate the secret information keys used by the algorithm, develop method to distribute and share the secret information. Here specify a protocol enabling the principal to use the transformation and secret information for the security key. Clear? Using this method requires us to design a suitable algorithm for the security transformation, generate a secret information used by the algorithm, develop methods to distribute and share the secret information, specify a protocol enabling the principal to use the transformation and secret information for the security service. Here is the model for the internet access security. What is here? Here select appropriate gatekeepers function to identify the users, implement security, okay, controls to ensure only authorized, okay, users access designated information or resources. Clear, here is a convolutional encryption, preferred conventional, private key, single key, sender and receipt share a common key. All classical encryption is there. Implement security control to ensure only authorized service. Implement security control to ensure only unauthorized users access designated information or resources. Here, a trusted computer systems can be used to implement this model. Here is the convolutional encryption is there. Okay. Referred convolutional private key, single key, sender and receipt share a common key. Okay. All classical encryption algorithms are private key was only typed prior to invention of public key in 1970s. Plain text, the original message, some basic terminologies used. Here is the ciphertext, the coded message cipher algorithms for transforming plain text to ciphertext. Here is the key is info used in cipher known only to the sender or receiver. In cipher encrypt is there converting plain text to ciphertext. Decipher means decrypt, converting ciphertext from plain text. Here is the cryptography, study of encryption principles and methods. Cryptanalysis, code breaking, the study of principle method of deciphering ciphertext without knowing the key. Here is the cryptology, the field of both cryptography and cryptanalysis. Here is the model. Here, the original message referred to as a plain text is converted into apparently random nonsense, refers to as a cryptotext. The encryption process consists of an algorithm and a key. The key is a value independent of the plain text. Changing the key change the output of the algorithm. Once the ciphertext is produced, it may be transmitted. Upon reception, the ciphertext can be transformed back to the original plain text by using a description algorithm and the same key that has that was used for encryption. The security depends on the several factors. First, the encryption algorithm must be powerful enough that it is impractical to decrypt a message on the basis of either text alone. Beyond that, the security depends on the secret of the key, not the security of the algorithm. To requirements for the secure use of symmetric encryption, a strong encryption algorithm, a secret key known only to sender, public receiver. EKX, EKD, EKY. Assume encryption algorithm is known implies a secure channel to distribute key. A source produce a message in plain text x1, x2, xm where m are the number of letters in the message. A key of the form key 1, key 2, key j is generated. If the key is generated at the source, then it must be provided to the destination by means of some secure channel. With the message X and the encryption key K as input, the encryption algorithm forms the ciphertext Y, Y1, Y2, Yn. This can be expressed as Y is equals to EKX. The intended receiver is possession of the key is able to invert the transformation. X is equals to dky and opponent observing y but not having access to k or x may attempt to recover x or k both. It is assumed that the opponent knows the encryption and decryption algorithm. If the opponent is interested in only this particular message, then the focus of effort is to recover X by generating a plain text estimate. Often, if the opponent is interested is being able to read future message as well, in which case an attempt is made to recover K by generating an estimate. Classical encryption techniques. There are two basic building blocks of all encryption techniques: substitution and transposition. Substitution techniques or substitution technique is one in which the letter of plain text are replaced by other letter or by number or symbols. If the plain text is viewed as a sequence of both of bits, then substitution involves the replacing plain text bit patterns with ciphertext bit form. The Caesar cipher, shift cipher, the earliest known use of the substitution cipher and the simple way by Julius Caesar. The Caesar ciphers involves the replacing each letter of the alphabet with the letter standing three places further down the alphabet. Example is plain text, pay more money, ciphertext SDB, push, prick. Note that the alphabet is wrapped around so that the letter following Z is A. For each plain text letter P, substitute the cipher text letter C such that C is equals to E of P is equals to P plus 3 mod 26. A shift may be any amount so that general Caesar's algorithm is C is equals to E of P is equals to P plus 3 mod 26 USD where K placed on the value in the range P1 to 25, then the description algorithm is simply P is equals to V of C is equals to C minus K mod of 26. Here is the plate pair C first. The best known multiple letters encryption C first in the The best known multiple letters encryption cipher is the plain pair, which treats diagrams in the plain text as single units and translates these units into the cipher text diagram, and plain pair algorithm is based on the use of the 5 into 5 matrix of letters constructed using keywords, right? Let the keyword be Murchi. The matrix is constructed by filling in the letter of keywords. Okay, from left to right, from top to bottom, and then filling in the remainder of the matrix when the remaining letters in alphabetical order. The letter I and Z count as one letter. Plain text is encrypted 2 letters at a time according to the following rules. Repeating plain text is there. Repeating plain text letter that would fall in the same pair as separated with a filter letter such as X. Plain text letter that fell in the same row, right? In this chapter, we will study the topic. In today's lecture, we will go through the introduction part of the security system, right? Cryptography Cryptocurrency and network security is the topic. In that we must go through the introduction. Okay. Convolutional encryption we have studied, their model is there. Cryptology we have studied, right? Two requirements for the security encryption we have studied. After that we must go through the classical encryption techniques, right? Here point is studied the model for the network security. We have studied active attack, passive attack. In passive attack there is a release of message content and traffic analysis, right? These points we have covered. Fabrication we have studied in this lecture. Modification, fabrication, interception, which is under the security attack. Security mechanisms we have studied, encipherment, digital signature, access control, right? Security services we have covered today. Steganography we have studied today. In cryptanalysis we have studied the ciphertext message, text only, known plain text, chosen plain text we have studied, right? Then cryptography we have studied basic concept of cryptography, plain text, ciphertext, cipher, key, encode, decode. For encode it is cipher, for decode it is decipher we have studied, right? This is all about today's lecture. We will stop here and start with the next part.